Draw the roof. Draw two lines. Connect the line. Draw two rectangles. Draw a line. Draw small circle. Draw two short lines. Draw rounded rectangle. Draw a line. Connect two curves. Draw two wavy lines. Draw four slanting lines. Draw two wavy lines again. Draw two curvy lines. Draw four slanting lines. Draw a curve. Connect the line. Let's color the tree house. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.